Make a great choice today with the 2019 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.